morning everyone. Storm has passed and it is a beautiful day here in Kessingland. Absolutely beautiful, but it's really cold. So this morning I got pounced on when I arrived. I say pounced on, we had a customer needed a bike urgently because they were going on holiday and theirs was broken, so we took theirs in part exchange and we sold a bike this morning. It was, which one did we sell? We sold the Concept Coco, and they part exchanged this one, which is a lovely little bike. So I'm going to try and build that maybe today. Needs a bit of love, but that'll make someone very happy. So I'm expecting a delivery today. Hopefully it'll be here relatively soon. So that I can crack on and get some of the displays sorted out. But my main focus this morning is to process some bikes today. Because it's been so stormy, there's hardly any work coming in. So I'm going to focus on trying to get that work done. So, let me start again. The work is done. I'm going to focus on getting on top of the processing. So I want to do maybe 3 or 4 different bikes today, and get them so that we're getting on top of it. Keep the processing. So I've just shared. The bike we sold this morning, put a bike on the Coral Equator, onto the website. We've had a bike come in that I've got to work on over the next couple of days, single speed. I'm now going to put the kettle on because, as you can hear, I've still got a horrible gravelly cough from having COVID. And then I am going to sort of all the admin is now done for the day, so now it's just on the tools. Coffee first. This one is now done, the Pro Bike Vintage. I'm just going, we've got a nice haul of parts over here, as you can see. We've got derailleurs and some noodles, handlebars, seat post, pedals, brakes, a bell, we've got a rack and some tyres. So now it's on to the next. I've just had this one donated, this Raleigh Vixen. These are normally pretty good bikes once they're cleaned up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build this up so that it can be pressure washed on Sunday. So I'm going to do the mechanical side of things, make sure that it's up to standard, and then I am going to, excuse me, I've just had a bag of crisps and a coffee, that's why. So yeah, so I'm going to get it up to the right standard, and then have it ready for pressure washing on Sunday. I've got a real dilemma with this one, because it is quite rusty, and to get it to a condition where we can sell it, it's going to need new handlebars, probably new brakes, because they're very, very, very rusty. I think I'm going to leave this one and just stew on it for a bit, see whether I think there is potential here for something. This is a real challenging one, because I mean, you look at the handlebars, it's definitely going to need new handlebars. Will new brakes make it better? Yes. But then we're looking at how long it takes to do this job. This is a tricky one. This is a really tricky one. It needs a new inner tube as well. So inner tube, brakes and handlebars. I'm going to stew on this one and have a think, and dismantle another one, and then this one's been dismantled. I've got everything off it that I want that's usable. So the next job is to deal with the delivery. We had a delivery earlier, so I'm going to deal with that and hopefully get the majority of that out on display. So, stock is out as best as it can be. I'm going to concentrate on pricing that up either this afternoon or tonight. I've got a few admin things to deal with, and I need to tidy the shop up big time. So that's my jobs for this afternoon. Don't forget, we are open tomorrow, Saturday, 9 till 5, but we're closed for lunch 1 till 2. If you want to get a new bike, if you want to reserve a bike for Christmas, if you need your bike repaired or fixed or anything like that, just have a look on our website, www.cyclerecycleuk.com. And we're also open Sunday 10 till 4 straight through. So you're welcome to come and have a look and see our stock and see what we've got, and also you can bring your bike in to get it fixed. So I'm going to crack on. I'm not going to bore you watching, so you have to watch me tidying up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hope you have a good evening. We'll see you tomorrow.